Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rajpal, and in this video I'm going to share a very fascinating word from Dr. Shashi Tharoor's book, Tharoorosaurus. The word has been found very difficult to pronounce by people, but if you watch this video, you will not only come to know about the pronunciation of this word, you will not only learn how to pronounce this word, how to articulate this word, but you would also know what are different versions of the same word. Most of the people know only this single word, but it is used as an adjective, as a noun, and its various forms. Some interesting ways in which writers are using it even for their characters. So I wish that you would learn its various versions, as well as you would come to know how to pronounce this word properly and very easily. The word that I'm going to share through this PPT, as the previous pattern, our TEC, it's here, and I start with the current slide. Yes, the word is on your screen, and see this cartoon, someone carrying a box with the inscription J-U-N-K, junk. So this is the exact meaning of this word, the most fascinated and most talked about word, and it's Floccinaucinihilipilification. It's very easy. You pronounce it with me, Floccinaucinihilipilification. It's a noun, and the act of estimating something or someone as worthless. It combines a number of roughly synonymous Latin terms: flocus, a wisp; nocum, a trifle; nihilum, nothing; pilus, a hair; plus fication. So that constitutes Floccinaucinihilipilification. It is one letter longer than the traditionally cited one of the longest words of English dictionary, that is anti-disestablishmentarianism. Anti-disestablishmentarianism, that is considered to be one of the longest words of English dictionary. So this word Floccinaucinihilipilification is having one more letter than this traditionally cited longest word of English dictionary. Its usage is, Dr. Tharoor writes, my new book, The Paradoxical Prime Minister, is more than just a 50-page exercise in Floccinaucinihilipilification. And now, as I said, that you would come to know its various versions. So see these usages. If something is worthy of Floccinaucinihilipilification, it is floccinausical, trifle. It is a state of floccinosity. Recently, the novelist Robert A. Heinlein called one of his female characters, who was always critical of things, a Floccinaucinihilipilicatrix. So that's how this popular word having a strong grip over the imagination of the writers who are using this word's version, adding some words as to define certain critical characters. So you cannot take the leaders of opposition party seriously, as they are Floccinaucinihilifilicators. Floccinaucinihilifilicators. So I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If you are new on TEC, or if you have not subscribed the channel, I would request you to subscribe the channel so that you keep growing, keep learning through this wonderful online platform of TEC, that is one of the best online platforms for communication skills, book analysis, editorial analysis, and talk fests. Don't forget to press the bell icon in order to get to know more words and more book analysis. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe. Thank you.